we have this Supra 3.0 with us here today. Today is the day we're gonna do installation. Obviously, the Supra has much more potential out of it. Welcome back to a new series. So today we're waiting for a car. Customers from outside the Klang Valley area. So he's towing the car to us, and he actually contacted to us 1 month ago to discuss for this performance upgrade. So we got in the parts, waited for about a month plus, and finally today is the day that the car is coming, and we're getting everything done in these few days. Okay, so it's a Supra 3.0, and today the customer couldn't make it, so he requested to get it towed here. So now let's get the car down from the tow truck. Okay guys, so we have this Supra 3.0 with us here today, and is purely on stock exhaust system, stock ECU. Meanwhile, customer requested for a stage 2 tuning. So we told him to get a decat downpipe as well as a full catback system. I'll show a bit of the stock sound from this GR spec as well. Then we'll do a comparison after we installed and do all the tuning. So let's go through a bit of the car. It's got a carbon fiber front lips, has some advanced racing GT rims. It has carbon side mirrors as well, carbon side skirts, door panels on the side, as well as the rear diffuser. It's all with carbon. And look at this wing. Whew. I think this car looks so nice, but in terms of performance, it's still running stock. So that's why customer is now seeking for more performance improvement. And that's why he got contact with us, and we had a bit of discussion what to do with his car. So today is the day we're gonna do installation. It'll take a few days for installation, tuning, to get everything done perfectly. Okay, let's see what's inside the box we have here. We've got the decat downpipe because the customer wanted more aggressive and loud. So we recommended him to get the decat instead of the catted. But of course, both of them, they have their own pros and cons. A decat will have straight flow, totally no restrictions. Whereas catted, you will still have 200 cells of honeycombs filter here. But the benefits for catted is you won't get the bad smell after installing it. Well, I don't think it's much of a problem for people who wants performance. So yeah, that's why we got the decat for him. And of course, the catback system as well. You can see, I'm carrying it so lightly. You already know it's a titanium catback system. Look at how light is it with just one hand. Customer got the carbon fiber exhaust tips to match all the carbon fiber that he has on his car as well. So because customer is emphasizing for performance, we highly recommend to go for titanium for weight reduction as well. Alright guys, so we have already done the installation for the decat downpipes, the full titanium catback system, and also a EM stage 2. Customer has specially requested to do some pop and bangs with flames shooting out. We did told our tuner to do it safely. So yeah, later on we're also going to bring it for a dyno to show what is the end results. Okay guys, so we have arrived at the dyno shop now. The guys are putting all the safety straps on the car. Meanwhile, we'll wait and we'll do a few power runs to see how much have we gotten out of this car with a decat downpipe, a titanium catback system, as well as a EM stage 2. Alright guys, come let's show you what results we have gotten here. We've gotten 400 on-wheel horsepower. This is only with the exhaust system and stage 2 tune that we had done on the car. It is slightly lower compared to the previous Supra in our video, because that Supra, it has more hardware upgrades. So of course, it's both the same car, SUPRA 3.0, but with different upgrades on the car, it can achieve different potential. Okay guys, so now we just finished dyno. So let me take the car out and do some more nice video shoot. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yes, it's a basic upgrade of exhaust system and stage 2, but obviously the Supra has much more potential out of it. So meanwhile, let us know what you think in the comment of this project. And yeah, I'm Zane from Titan Auto House, and I'll see you in our next episode.